Mario has no problem with spending money. How do they even manage to make money in college? It's all about good business ideas. The girls want to pack their bags and go on a trip. They have big dreams. That's great. And choosing a country to go to is obviously going to lead to arguments. Polly wants to enjoy the sun on a Maldivian beach. Sue would like to go on an African safari. But Alice wants to go on a cruise on the Atlantic Ocean. We can figure that out later. Right now, we have another problem. There is obviously not enough money for a first-class trip. And our pockets are empty. But bright minds always get bright ideas. Girls, we need to start a business. Sue has a great idea. Selling homemade hot dogs. There will definitely be a lot of customers. The girls' kitchen is becoming a real hot dog production line. All they need is fresh buns, juicy sausages, and hot sauce. Alice, Polly, and Sue are working hard. Any chef would love to work like that. Yay! The girls have a whole mountain of hot dogs. All they have to do is sell these masterpieces. And the businesswomen have a unique sales strategy. A low price, a good place, and good ads. Come on! These hot dogs are a dream! And it seems like they are off to a good start. The competition is shook! Did the chef of the school cafeteria decide to buy all the stock? A bulk purchase? That's awesome! The girls are happy. Now they won't have to stand here all day. It's time to count our profits. Wait, what? Why is there competition raising the price of the hot dogs? And students are buying anyway? That's a bummer. But there's nothing you can do. A deal is a deal. Fast food is a very cutthroat business. Even in class, you can't forget about your dreams. But how can you earn money without leaving geometry class? It's easy. All you need is a classmate. It's a 2-in-1 startup. You help your neighbor, and you get some money. Brandon, do you want girls to pay attention to you? Well, who would say no?
Yeah.
You need a boost from someone like me. It's simple. We take a picture of us together, post it on social media, and boom! You're popular! Obviously not for free. Brandon is ready to spend all of his money for this. It's a perfect way to get rich fast. Brandon is so happy. A photo shoot with a beautiful woman gave him confidence. Now he can totally talk to his new classmate. Oh, getting flirty. Why waste time on breaks when you can spend that time making money? Homework for just $1. That's a great price to pay for good service. It's practically nothing, and customers show up quickly. For example, Lori is having big problems with advanced math, and she will gladly exchange $1 for homework answers. And here's another unlucky student. She didn't do her homework either. Perfect! Business is booming! The girls work fast and well. They are great at math. We just need to finish before the start of class so we can get paid. And, of course, don't get caught by the teacher. Miss Lano wouldn't approve of this setup. And everything would be fine, but learning for others is so exhausting. This business is too time-consuming. We'll have to look for another idea. Lily is in trouble. She can't do this task in PE. She might even get expelled. Luckily, Alice offered to help. And what a great business idea! Getting PE credits for someone. Alice is in great shape. And the teacher won't even notice the change. You just need to disguise yourself a little. For a couple of extra dollars. Hello, I'm Lily. The teacher suspected that something's wrong. This student doesn't look like Lily at all. Well, Lily is probably just sick. Just do your thing. Alice quickly gets to business. A little more, just a little more. But the hood slipped at such a bad time. She got exposed. What? Did you decide to fool the teacher? Get out of the gym! Oh no! This business plan didn't work at all. Jerry is sad. Everybody else has boyfriends, and she hasn't met her prince yet. She can only post pictures of kittens on social media. What about cute cuddles with her bae? Wait, you can make good money on your classmates' romantic dreams. Alice and Sue have another idea. Jerry, we will help you. Everyone will think you have a boyfriend. Jerry likes the idea. She's even willing to pay for it. Alice will be the guy, and Sue will be a photographer. The first client is satisfied. They can keep going. And here's another poor unfortunate soul. Lori is also having dating problems. The girls already have experience in making beautiful fake relationships. This time, the guy's role goes to Sue. She's doing a great job. She's a natural.
Wow!
Yay! It's up! The best ideas happen spontaneously. Like right now, for example. A cart from a supermarket. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? What if we help teachers and students bring their stuff home? Studying is already tiring, and there's also a whole mountain of heavy books. Carrie would totally pay for this. And she's not the only one. There are a lot of students willing to get their textbooks carried. Delivery for $1. We're making money. At this rate, they will have to expand their business. Wow. So they need to find another cart. Hey. But Miss Megan is a tough cookie. She doesn't want to pay for help. Girls, will gum be enough? Gum?
Oh my.
That's good too. We do anything for our favorite teacher. Even help her for free. Polly is standing here for a reason.
Yeah.
She's got another business idea. Valet parking. A day of work brings a good profit. It's easy with scooters. A couple of moves and it's done. But Alice's job is more complicated. She needs to park a fancy car. It's great that the friends can work together. One would definitely not manage to do it. But the situation is getting out of control. Oh no! They'll have to spend their entire vacation savings for this broken headlight. The only way out is to run for their lives. Who knew that the parking business is so risky? One wrong move and you're bankrupt. But minor failures won't make the girls stop. They have another idea. Polly got these gorgeous flowers right on time. They can sell them. Yay!
Hey,
Business
you.
without investment. Just what they need right now. The target audience is clear. Happy couples. And there are so many of them in this park. It's the easiest thing. The girls get the flowers, the guys pay for them. It's worth it. There are only a couple of bouquets left. We can sell them to that couple. It's so lucky that this girl loves chrysanthemums. Her boyfriend will have to pay a lot of money today. And our businesswomen have made a decent amount of cash. Mission accomplished! They have the money for their vacation. Not enough for the Maldives, of course, but enough for a vacation at their grandma's house. Not bad! Every cloud has a silver lining. We are finally going on vacation! Oh, girls, look! Penny has been standing here all day, raising money to help homeless puppies. I feel so sorry for the cute dogs. What if we broke our piggy bank for this? Hurry up and stop Polly! She won't give away her hard-earned money that easily. But even she can't resist puppies. How can you say no? The girls do a very kind thing. Homeless puppies all over the city are happy because of them. And with such great ideas, the young businesswoman will be just fine. By next summer, they will definitely be able to go to the real Maldives and a safari at the same time. Did you like our video about ways to make money? Which of the business ideas surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell. Don't miss the most interesting sketches on Troom Select.